Roger, the real deal guy here, unless of course you don't know who I am. Do you know what? I am here to make your holiday home ownership a breeze. That's what I'm doing. Right, where are we today, I hear you ask? So we are in the Sunseeker Supreme. It's a 41 foot long, 13 foot wide, 2-bedroom model. It is stunningly beautiful. Really is. So while we're here in the kitchen, let's go through it. 5 gas ring burner. Yes, enables you to cook and everything else like that. Double oven underneath, which is ideal. You've even got the added touch of a washing machine. So far, so good, I hear you say. Lovely microwave, but with the light coming through the windows, because there's so many windows around it, it's very, I don't know, serene and spacious. It feels great. Freestanding dining table, so you can move it however you wish and you can work with it. Do you know what? You've even got freestanding sofas. I know. One of them's got the sofa bed in it, so this will sleep 6 quite comfortably. But it's just a lovely space. With those patio doors that open through, can you imagine sitting there in the evening, during the day, however you want to do it, letting outside in, inside out, just is a beautiful, beautiful holiday home. Well thought out. Well done, Sunseeker. This is a cracker. It really is beautiful. Fire, place for the TV to go above. Just works. You know, I can imagine yourself just sitting here enjoying life, because do you know what? Holiday home ownership is all about enjoying life. That's what it comes down to. Right, so we've seen the living, dining, kitchen, open space. Let's go and check out the bedroom. So as we come down the corridor, which is great because there's a door to close off the living, dining to the sleeping area. So if you have got young ones living with you, you can isolate them off. So obviously noise and everything else like that. But as we go in, as you come down, on your left-hand side, you've got the twin room. Fabulous size, great size single beds, lovely above bed storage. Double glazed, obviously central heating throughout, but the beds are also freestanding, so they're very versatile. Now, as we come on into the master bedroom, what a lovely, lovely space. King size bed, lovely above bed storage, bedside cabinets. You've got the fabulous wardrobes, but I mean, look at the finish, look at the design, look at the wood, look at the graining. It really is lovely. Little dressing table, chest of drawers built in as well. I mean, what more do you want from a master bedroom? I know what you want. You want the full-on suite. I know. So what an amazing facility. Full-on suites, a shower, toilet, everything else you want. That coupled with the main bathroom as well with the shower. So that means you've got 2 showers, 2 fabulous bathrooms throughout this holiday home. Lovely amounts of storage in this master bedroom. It really does tick so many boxes. It is a fabulous addition to the holiday homes here at Holiday Resort Unity. Right. Let's go back into the lounge. So this is the fabulous Sunseeker Supreme, 41 foot long, 13 foot wide, 2-bedroom model, but it's also got the added bonus of the sofa bed here, so it will easily sleep 6. Lovely, lovely open plan living, dining, kitchen areas you can see. Freestanding furniture, freestanding dining table, the 5 gas ring burner. Do you know what? They really have thought about everything. And as you go down, the lovely twin room with the freestanding beds, so the versatility in that room, the great bathroom, but the lovely, 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 and I'll say that one more time, lovely master bedroom. You know, a great space, natural light, lovely finish for the wardrobes, and the full ensuite toilet shower in there as well. How many boxes did I tick? I think I ticked enough, didn't I? Of course I did, because holiday home ownership really is that simple. My job is to find you guys the best holiday home for the best price. As I said, holiday homes at Holiday Resort Unity start from as little as £19,995, and you can become our owner here. One of the longest seasons around here with some spectacular facilities for you guys to use. So what do I do next, I hear you ask? You pick up the phone, you give me a call. 07493 098 497. That's simple. Pick up the phone, drop me a text. Say, Roger, talk to me through holiday home ownership, how I do it. Roger, I want to look to upgrade because I've got a holiday home on the park. Give me a call and I'll talk you through it. My job is to make your life as simple as possible. You can drop me an email, roger.shaw@hru.co.uk. Ask me questions. Say, Roger, I've looked at this and I quite like that, or help, how do I do it? You come down and we look after you and we show you what it's like being an owner here. Or you can follow me on my YouTube page, Roger the Real Deal Guy, because on there are different holiday homes, different facilities, everything you get, so you can really see what the fundamentals are of becoming a holiday home owner. That simple, all you've got to do. For now, people, enjoy the rest of your day, and just remember that one thing. It's not a deal, it's because it's a real deal, and I'll see you soon.